Hi, I'm Amanda and I'm here to talk to you about the Newry Pipeline project. The Newry Pipeline project will modernise one of the final sections of the Macalister Irrigation District that isn't fully automated. It will give customers more flexibility when it comes to ordering, and importantly, it will give farmers options to make use of new technologies that will help them run their businesses more efficiently. The Newry Pipeline project will deliver over 4,000 megalitres in water savings. We know customers who are a part of the Phase 1B works in Tinamba experienced up to 30% on-farm water savings through improved efficiency in both delivery and their on-farm improvements. We expect similar advantages to be realised in Newry. We will stage the project to minimise impacts on the current irrigation system and reduce water delivery disruption for our customers. The improved consistency and flow rates will mean better delivery and service outcomes for everyone on the channel system.